Hello everyone, is your diesel engine taking too long to start, or are you noticing excessive white smoke from the exhaust? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0679, cylinder 9 glow plug circuit open, your engine's glow plug system isn't working properly. This can lead to misfires, rough idling and hard starts in cold weather. In this video I'll explain what P0679 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0679 Trouble Code stands for Cylinder 9 Glow Plug Circuit Open. Diesel engines rely on glow plugs to preheat the cylinders, ensuring a smooth startup. If the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects a fault in the glow plug circuit for cylinder 9, it triggers P0679. This can result in hard starts, white smoke, and rough engine performance. Common symptoms of P0679: check engine light on hard starting in cold conditions, rough idling or misfires, excessive white smoke from exhaust, reduced fuel efficiency. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0679. To diagnose P0679, check these components. Glow plug for cylinder 9. Location: installed in cylinder 9 on the engine block, near the fuel injector. Function: preheats the cylinder for cold starts. A bad glow plug won't generate enough heat. Glow plug control module, GPCM. Location: mounted on the engine block, firewall, or near the intake manifold. Function: controls power to the glow plugs. A faulty module can disable multiple glow plugs. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location: typically near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function: monitors the glow plug system and triggers P0679 when a fault is detected. Glow plug relay. Location: inside the fuse box or near the engine. Function: distributes power to the glow plugs. A faulty relay can prevent them from working. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the PCM, GPCM, and glow plugs. Function: transfers electrical signals. If damaged, the circuit stays open, triggering P0679. Common causes of P0679: faulty glow plug in cylinder 9. A bad plug won't produce the required heat. Glow plug control module, GPCM. Failure: prevents the glow plug system from working. Corroded or broken wiring. If the wiring is damaged, the PCM won't detect the glow plug. Defective glow plug relay. A failed relay means no power is reaching the glow plugs. PCM malfunction. In rare cases, a faulty PCM may falsely trigger P0679. How to fix P0679? Step 1. Scan for additional codes. If multiple glow plugs show errors, the control module may be at fault. Step 2. Test the cylinder 9 glow plug. Use a multimeter to check resistance. Should be 0.62.0 ohms. Step 3. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wires. Step 4. Check the glow plug relay and fuse. Replace if faulty. Step 5. Test and replace the glow plug control module, GPCM, if needed. A bad module can disable multiple plugs. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and confirm the fix. Ignoring P0679 can cause difficult cold starts, increased white smoke, and poor fuel efficiency. Fixing it ensures your diesel engine performs at its best. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0612, starter relay circuit malfunction. P0613, TCM processor performance. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.